Where shall I be when the first trumpet sound? Oh,
In a two-digit number, the sum of the digits is 8. Also, the difference between the number and the number formed when the digits are reversed is 54. What is the number? To solve this kind of problem, it is important to understand the information given, what we are to find, and how to use the information we have to proper answer to the question asked. The two digits number can best be simplified by letting the first digit and the second digit of the number be x and y respectively. If the first and the second are x and y, we can now write the number in the form of 10x plus y. Here is the idea: any two-digit number can be expressed in this form. Here are some examples: 23 is equal to 10 times 2 plus 3, 57 is equal to 10 times 5 plus 7, 28 is equal to 10 times 2 plus 8, 93 is equal to 10 times 9 plus 3, and 86 is equal to 10 times 8 plus 6. This is the reason why we can express the unknown two-digit number in the form 10x plus y. In the question, we were also made to understand that the difference between the number and the number formed when the digits are reversed is 54. We already have the first digit is x, and the second is y. When the digits are reversed, the second digit becomes the first, and the first becomes the second. So, we can write the second number as 10y plus x. With these interpretation we have derived, we can now proceed to reading the question, in order to draft out some useful equations. The sum of the digits is 8, this implies that the sum of x and y gives 8. Also, the difference between this number and the number formed when the digits are reversed is 54. We have the first number and the second number already. To get the difference, we subtract the first from the second, or the second from the first. When we subtract the second from the first, we arrive at 10x plus y minus 10y plus x equals 54. When we subtract the first from the second, we arrive at 10y plus x minus 10x plus y equals 54. We can now pick them one after the other, to form a simultaneous equation with the first equation we derived. There are now two cases to consider. The equation in the first case is x plus y equal 8, 10x plus y minus 10y plus x equals 54. Also, the second case is x plus y equal 8, 10y plus x minus 10x plus y equals 54. We need to treat the first as a separate case, where we solve for the value of x and y, and also, the same would be applied to the second case to get x and y. X plus y equal 8, 10x plus y minus 10y plus x equals 54. We need to simplify the second equation. By taking away the bracket, and assigning the right sign, it reduces to 9x minus 9y equals 54. When you divide through by 9, we arrive at x minus y equals 6. Bringing our first equation closer to the simplified second equation, we arrive at x plus y equals 8, and x minus y equals 6. Let us solve this simultaneous equation easy by adding both equations. 2x equals 14, x equals 14 over 2, and x equals 7. And the value of y is 1. Also for the second case, x plus y equal 8, 10y plus x minus 10x plus y equals 54. Simplifying the second equation, 9y minus 9x equals 54. When you divide through by 9, we arrive at y minus x equals 6. Bringing our first equation closer to the simplified second equation, we arrive at x plus y equals 8, and y minus x equals 6. By elimination method, we add both equations, 2y equals 14, y equals 14 over 2, and y equals 7. And the value of x is 1. Finally, x equals 1 or 7, and y equals 7 or 1 respectively. When x is equal to 1, y equals 7, and vice versa. Conclusion. The number is either 17 or 71.